In this module, we will look at the English legal system and the various sources of law. England and Wales is a legal jurisdiction situated within the United Kingdom, a sovereign unitary state of which the sovereign is the head and consisting of several legal jurisdictions: England and Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. England and Wales form the constitutional successor to the former Kingdom of England and are often referred to together. England and Wales follow the legal system known as English law, which is the basis of common law systems used in most Commonwealth countries and the United States. Scotland and Northern Ireland have their own legal jurisdictions. Devolution since 1997 has decentralised some aspects of power in the UK through the establishment of a devolved Scottish Parliament and assemblies in Wales and Northern Ireland. England, however, has no devolved Parliament or Assembly of its own and is directly ruled from Westminster. The United Kingdom is also a member of the European Union. EU law therefore forms part of English law, which is comprised in part of civil law, codified law, process and procedure, as opposed to the common law system discussed below. The European Court of Justice can direct, but not directly intervene in the workings of, or overrule English courts on the meaning of areas of law in which the EU has passed legislation. Sources of